cheese.
Say hi to Annie.
Hi.
Hey Annie, we got your message and we miss you. We love your new house and we love your new room. And Maya wanted to say hello to you too, right? Right?
We're not on it.
No, but we're gonna send it to her.
Oh.
Okay, do you want to show her your new room? Show her your jersey. Say, go Brett Favre. Say, go Brett Favre, go Vikings. Okay, let's go. Let's show her your new room. Take me to your new room.
You need to stand up, Mom.
Okay, let's go.
This is where I sleep.
What is this?
This is where I sleep.
Where you sleep? You got a big girl bed? Who do you sleep here with?
Dad.
Oh, and you sleep here all by yourself? Do you like it? And where do other people sleep?
I don't know. In your room. And Maddie's room. And we're just not sleeping in Tim's.
Do you want Annie to come visit you?
Yes.
She's gonna come for Thanksgiving, we hope. And Colden too.
Every time I'm gonna like this.
Every time? Where's your favorite guitar?
I put it in there.
Why don't you show it to me?
No.
Auntie Sarah got it for you.
But I don't want to show it to you.
Okay, well you were playing it 2 seconds ago. Alright, so now Maya's got a big girl bed. Maya's got a big girl bed. Okay?
I need to fix my baby.
You want to go downstairs and say hi to anybody? I think we're going to bore people with this, so you can say goodbye. Anybody you want to say goodbye to?
Bye.
Bye to who?
Annabelle.
Anybody else?
Nope.
See ya.
Bye.
I'm going to go pee-pee on the potty too.